Today we're going to talk to you a little bit about things that you can share and learn about when it's a good time to take Social Security, how it works, and what income levels you must stay at in order to take Social Security properly. First of all, I'll tell you a little bit about taxable earnings. This year, if you're under age 62, they're going to tax your Social Security or tax you on earnings up to $106,800. Now, that means they're going to take out Social Security tax up to that amount if you have wages of $106,000. After that, they're going to take Medicare only, and there's no limit. So if you make $200,000 or $300,000 in the form of a salary, they're going to take Medicare, which is 1.4. They're going to take that out for the entire income. So on a $300,000 or $100,000 income, you're paying $1,400 in Medicare tax. On a $200,000 income, you're paying $28,000, and you're paying $32,000 on more. Okay, so at $300,000, you're paying a lot of money for Medicare tax. So 14 would be 32, or no, 42. Pardon me. Okay, so $4,200. Now, retirement benefits you're able to take at age 62. Now, most of us know this. But what we want to look at here is at age 62, you're eligible to start taking Social Security. Okay? This is my first year. I'm age 62. I'm taking my Social Security this year. Now, the amount of income I'm allowed to earn before they start taking my benefit away from me is $14,160. Okay? And $1,180 per month. Now, what that means basically is this. I can't earn more than $14,000 or they're going to take $1 away for every $3 that I earn. Okay? So, if I went out and earned $24,000, $24,160, I'd have $10,000. They take approximately 1/3 of that away out of my Social Security, or about $3,000. Okay? And you probably understand that fairly comfortably. Now, let's look at this thing that says I should wait till I'm 65 or 66 before I take that money. Now, we've run some actual figures, and basically the advantages of taking it early, and if you can fall into that category, is very, very significant, because it would take you 20.4 years. If you waited till you were 66 and started drawing your Social Security instead at 62, it would take you 20.4 years to get that money back that you had not been paid during that time. Okay? Another individual that had a friend, accounting friend, calculated that up, put into investment at 5%, and basically you're going to have about $100 to $150 more a month if you invested that money even after taxes. Okay? Now, most of us know that the rule now is you can pay up to 85% tax on any Social Security that you receive. So, in my case, it's not a huge amount of Social Security, but I'm getting about a little over $14,000, okay, for my Social Security. I'm going to have to pay tax on 85% of that. I need to sit down with my advisor when that happens and take a look at what the tax implications are going to be there. Now, when I reach full retirement age, now what's that for me? It's 66, okay? When I reach full retirement age, I can then earn an unlimited amount of money. In the year that I'm turned 66, I'm really only eligible to earn $37,680. Okay? So the year I turn 66, I could earn $37,680. At age 67, I can earn as much as I want. Okay? I can earn $100,000 if I wanted to. Okay? Now, the advantage of knowing this is simply because when you're looking at putting your program together to give you a retirement income estimate, where you sit down with your advisor and you estimate that we're going to get At 60, you're going to have this income coming in. At 62, you're going to have this. At 65, you need to be asking your advisors to do this for you. To take what you've got, calculate it out to what it's going to be in a very simple form so that you can read it on one page, okay? And that you will know what you're going to have in the way of income so you can start to put together a budget for retirement. If you don't know what you're going to do now, you better start thinking about it soon, because before you know it, you're going to be retirement age if you're not there already. So again, remember the basics about Social Security. At 62, if you're eligible to do that, start taking it. If you have a corporation, you have to be careful, because under the IRS rules, you can't hide money in a corporate account. But not pay yourself, after you're 66 or something like that. Anyway, keep that in mind. It is important to take it as soon as you possibly can. Talk to your advisor, look at the tax implications with your accountant, and be sure that you've covered all your bases. Have a great day, and we'll look forward to talking to you again.